happy birthday and calm down.
And we would like to greet Pasamonte and the Choco family, and of course, thank you so much to Franz Kutiran. And thank you to Jeffrey Ogador for making food for Sun 94. And happy birthday to Mama Let. And we would like to thank Ladies Catering Services. They cater wedding, baptismal, birthday, anniversaries, and other special occasions. Located at number 18, Mount Clement Street, New Marikina Subdivision, Santa Elena, Marikina City.
And their office located at number 4, Rodriguez Avenue, Santo Niño, Marikina City.
Thank you!
Okay, mga kapamilya natin dyan sa Gensan, mabuhay si Manny Pacquiao. Watch out for Sessionistas Live in Gensan, September 10 na po sa Lagaw Gym, kasama General Santos City. Sessionistas in Gensan is produced by ASAP Live, Record Breaker, and Denville Production.
Ituloy na natin ang sayawan party 2. Away guys, but this time, let's